the length of the rectangle is twice its width. So if length and width, so width is x, length is going to be 2 times x. Rectangle R has a perimeter of 20.4 centimeter. Find the length and width. So this is 2x, this is x, 2x, x. Perimeter is like the entire boundary of a shape. So 2x plus 2x plus x plus x, this is equal to 20.4, which is basically 6x. So 20.4 divided by 6 is going to equal 3.4 centimeters. That is your x value. So that means width is 3.4 and length is going to be twice of 3.4, which is 6.8 centimeters. Rectangle S is mathematically similar to rectangle R. Rectangle S has a perimeter of 30.6 centimeters. Calculate the length of rectangle S. So R has a perimeter of 20.4. And the perimeter of S is 30.6. Length of R is 6.8 centimeters, and centimeters. So we can make a ratio length of R over length of S equals to perimeter of R divided by the perimeter of S. So that's going to be 6.8 over x equals to 20.4 over 30.6. So we're going to do 6.8 times 30.6 divided by 20.4 equals to x. 10.2 centimeters is the value of x. Question 8, they've given us a sector of a circle with sector angle 75 and radius 8. They want us to find an expression in terms of pi for the arc length of the sector in its simplest form. So arc length has the formula of theta over 360 times 2 pi r, which means 75 over 360 times 2 times pi times 8. 2 ones are 2. 2 times 180 is 360. 2 times 90 is 180 and 2 times 4, 245. So 75 times pi times 2 over 45. 75 divided by 5 is 15 and 45 divided by 5 is 9. So 15 pi times 2 over 9, which can be further simplified into 5 pi times 2 over 3, which is 10 pi over 3. That is your arc length in its simplest form. The question says that the piece of card forms the curved surface area of a cone. That means the arc length that we found in the previous part, that is now going to be the circumference of the base of this cone, which means arc length of sector is your circumference of the base. So arc length we found was 75 over 360 times 2 pi r. And circumference over here is going to be 2 pi r. But over here, this r is different from the r that we used in the sector of the arc length. So this was 10 pi over 3 equals to 2 pi r. 10 pi divided by 3 times 2 pi equals to r, which is going to be 5 over 3. And we can rewrite 5 over 3 as 1.67 centimeters. Now, if we draw the height on the cone, this is the height and this is your radius, r height. So radius is now 1.67. So you can use Pythagoras to find the height. So that's going to be h square equals to h square plus r square. H square equals to h square plus 1.67 square. H square minus 1.67 square equals to h square. So that is going to give us 61.21, and we square root that, 7.8 centimeters. So your volume will now be 1 over 3 times pi times 1.67 cube times 7.8. So that's going to equal to 22.9 centimeter cube.